not just students here, to the students throughout the state. That we have decided and we have tied up with Government of India that we will be releasing the scholarship money in advance from the state side, and we will not wait for Government of India to release the amount, and whenever the money comes in, it will be put back into our account. The system has been created, and the most important part, you can clap after that, is that we'll be releasing it before Christmas. So we'll ensure that before Christmas, the CM scholarship, which we are just finalizing, we had anticipated about 70,000 students, but you'll be surprised to know that we got 1 lakh applicants. So we are just screening through the whole process. We should be able to finalize that within a few weeks' time. So when that is done, so the CM scholarship that we have announced will also be released before Christmas, and the scholarship from central government, which comes in at a 90-10 ratio, that also in advance, before receiving the funds from central government, we will release the funds from our side. So I would want to share that with you, and I hope that will help the students who require that financial support.